Man, this is a neat event just because every trade in the industry is out here. They're giving all the kids a chance to get their hands on the tools, understand what they're going to get into if this is something that's interesting to them. Hopefully it opens up their minds and it's really fascinating for them. I'm hoping that they have a terrible amount of fun because when they come to work for any of us, that's the goal, is that you have fun building and that you really enjoy what you do. When you get done at the end of the day, you look back at your work and you've left a neat legacy in our community for what we do as construction workers, what we do as contractors in the area.
The trade is the most organic way to drive around, for us, the DMV or wherever you may live, drive around cities, counties and say, hey, I changed that light, I built that school, you can leave your mark everywhere. And yeah, I love it. I would never trade it for anything.